Hi, today I will share you how to create a motorsport poster in Canva. Open Canva and choose your project size. I will choose social media, Instagram post. Upload your motorsport photo. I will use a Canva element. I will duplicate. Right click on the duplicate and set image as background. Click on the background. Click edit. Choose image. Go to tools, see all and choose blur. Click whole image and type here 50, enter, and then back to adjust and reduce the brightness about 450 minus 50, enter. Now select the photo, put it like this on the top, and then increase the size like this, place it in the center, okay. Click edit on the tool CO and choose magic grab, and then click here. Press your shift button on your keyboard, and then I will click here to select multiple object, and then click grab. So now this main object is separated from the background. Select on the background, and then I will crop it here, and then add a text. Type the name of the rider, for example, just motor rider, and then change the font to a tall font that can be italic, like Anton. Make it italic, and then I will increase the size, and then I will rotate to the left 90 degree, and then change the alignment to left, and then I will put it here. Then I will increase the size, right click layer, and send backward. Now duplicate it. Go to effect, choose hollow, type on the thickness 10, enter, and then let's move it to the top like this. Add the engine specification here and add a quote here. So now you have it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.